Hi everyone. Today I'm going to speak about a very interesting form of therapy which is called as art therapy. Before I begin, I would just like to let you all know that I'm a trained art therapist and I've received my certification from Antidote Mental Health Foundation. So friends, what is art therapy? Art therapy is a form of therapy that uses creative methods such as drawing, painting, sculpting, coloring, and mask making, and various other forms of art for the person to be able to express their emotions, for an in-depth understanding of what goes on in their mind, and for the process of healing. So friends, why I'm talking about art therapy today is because in the video which follows after this one, I'll be introducing a very interesting self-help technique which is a form of art therapy. So I thought, why not brief up a little bit about what art therapy actually is. So just like any other form of therapy, art therapy also involves a therapeutic relationship between the client or the person who's come to seek help and the therapist, the professional. Art therapy is not about a person's ability or the skill to draw better or to make themselves perfect in that particular drawing or art form that they are presenting, but it's just a process of healing, just a way through which a person through the medium of art can express themselves and feel better. So here, just like I mentioned, the goal is healing. The goal is better understanding, better insight into the self, into the emotions. And artwork is always used in case of art therapy as a medium of communication. Sometimes what happens is, in a regular therapy process, the person who is seeking therapy from you gets stuck and is not able to open up their emotions or what goes inside them. So this is where art therapy really helps, because through art therapy the person can actually communicate via his or her drawings. And as professionals who are trained in art therapy, we actually try to find out the underlying emotions through the interpretations of these drawings. So friends, there are various techniques in art therapy, and most of them require the guided help of the professionals who are trained in this field. But art therapy also comes with a lot of self-help techniques that mostly aim to focus on reducing your anxiety level, your stress level, sometimes feeling of an inability to focus in a particular task, inability to pay attention. These techniques also help in increase your concentration level and help you to relax. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about one of the self-help techniques, which is known as Zentangles. So till then friends, let's reflect on what art therapy is, and you can always read about it on online or in various books of art therapy. Thank you.